on, Jazz. Happy birthday.
Thanks.
You're welcome. You meant to say you too, but
Yeah, I know
okay.
people live in a country where this is their winter. Kingfisher ones as well. I don't like how much this is.
Hey guys! So
oh wow, it's the other way. Okay.
Yeah. We can't see anymore because.
Anyone?
I just really wanted to show you this.
Oh no!
That is so funny!
How do your hands feel?
Well, you guys won't be able to see it, so.
Have you said it's your birthday yet?
Oh yeah, I started the vlog earlier.
Okay. Hi guys, it's nice.
Oh, I need to show them me taking my first ever drink of alcohol.
It's not a very good one.
Here you go.
Here.
Nice cup.
Yep. Really classy.
Wow.
Don't be too overwhelmed.
We're gonna go to the train station soon, pick everyone else up and have a fun time.
Okay.
So I've got this skirt on from Misguided. It's the Madsen Viewer with Misguided.
Oh wow, yep.
And then this top, I don't know where it's from, it's Claudia's. Then I've got this leather jacket, which is from Warehouse if you want.
Okay, I'm trying so hard to make your face on bad fit.
And then I'm wearing Vans, but not at this current moment.
No. Cause. Oh, is that?
Hey guys, so we're in Hannah's car.
My dad.
I mean, she doesn't own it. And it's so cool.
It's so fancy, like you feel like a princess.
Like I feel like I'm actually normal right now. Hannah, how do you feel to have this kind of car?
Well, it's not actually my car
Yes, it is.
personally.
It's a Land Rover. I got a Land Rover for my birthday.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh, another thing that didn't happen.
Surprise! That'll be my what I got for my birthday. Oh.
He doesn't.
Yeah, okay.
You're doing a good job, you.
Hello. What?
Hello.
What the fuck?
Hello!
Hello.
Hello! Get a team today! I hate it.
I don't really know what else to say apart from I've known Juliet since we were 5.
Oh,
No, we went to nursery.
No, we went to nursery together,
Me too.
and we were best friends all through primary school. And we, well, they know that story because we told them many times. And now she's 18, and it's just really emotional.
Yeah.
And
Does anyone else
I've
have
known
anything
Juliet
to say?
since first year when we met online, stranger danger. We didn't talk in class, but we talked online.
Yeah.
yeah,
And now we're friends.
really
funny. Still to this day.
Yeah. Do you have anything nice to say about me?
No. I went to it in the car. Juliet took my purse, looked at it with that look of disgust, and just went, "It's kind of ugly."
It is.
Me and Juliet are matched. Oh, me, Juliet, and Claudia are matched with our leather jackets.
Yeah, same. I didn't bring a jacket because it's summer.
So today I'm going through my whole day. Right, this is by like 4 o'clock. Okay. Hannah still hasn't said happy birthday to me.
She forgot. Basically,
You kept just sending stuff on the chat with us and just
no,
not saying
basically,
anything.
I was too thingy in this plan, and I was making the collages before I got on the bus this morning. Then I got on the bus and started talking to Claudia, and I just completely forgot about them.
I said happy birthday.
But yeah, I was up until 5 to 12, and I was gonna stay up for your birthday and Ariana Grande's new song, and I fell asleep.
Oh, 5 minutes, Hannah.
No, your camera's not turned on. It's like your selfie camera's on. Like they can see me now.
Update, we're on the train.
Great time.
That's all. Is it a good angle?
Yeah, no, you're
Good.
We have to watch Shrek, boys. And I go bad, just like no, it's not. No, that's so embarrassing.
So we just saw Peter and his band play. So now we're leaving. There is another band on, but like basically we were meant to be going to Hannah's anyway, like not going to the gig, and then obviously I said I wanted to go. So we were like, we'll just go see Peter.
Who was really good.
Yeah.
In case everyone watches this.
I tried to take videos of him. Oh god. I'm not sure if you could see him, but he was the drummer. So we saw them, but we like want to go back to Hannah's. So.
We're going to get pizza because we're really hungry. Because I've not eaten for
Yeah,
about
we're going to get pizza.
7 hours.
Look how nice. It's all the videos you see on Facebook of the Scottish people and you're just like, this is just classic.
Yeah, this is us.
Like, see all the videos you see online of Scottish people? That's true. Like, that is exactly
That is what
it's
Scottish people are like, yeah, literally. Everyone's just so funny.
Like I know what to live somewhere else, and I'm like, I don't know if I'll adjust.
Just like, oh my gosh, see literally, mate. So obviously we all complain about the weather like every day.
Yeah.
But see, when I went to Spain last year, I was literally there for like a week, and by the end of it, I was like, I literally just want to be back.
No, see, when I'm in Florida,
Yeah.
I look so ugly. Like, so ugly because I just can't deal with the heat.
Yeah, exactly.
And like, you can't put makeup on because it just like sweats off.
Yeah. Just look
Get it
at
back.
that.
Like, you look like the people. It's like, who?
You, Hannah. Just eating our pizzas. Yum. Anything to say? True.
Hi.
Hello.
This is the first Juliet thinks it's funny.
Because it is.
Oh, shit, that we had.
Guys, I'm so excited for this surprise when I get home.
Oh, I wouldn't be that
Is it
excited.
set up, or do we need to like?
Like, don't get your hopes
Yeah,
up.
don't get your hopes up, it's not that good.
Is it a present?
No.
Well, as I said,
She doesn't want it already.
you know what, we will get you a present.
No, yeah.
Okay.
It kind of, in a way it's a present, it's just not a good
Also, are
present.
we patching that other present? Well, we're
Can
going
you
to tell you
tell
about
what
it
it
now.
Basically.
Basically, pen, it was so
It was like the
funny.
quote from Clueless, which is like, you're a virgin who can't drive. Oh my god, that was £2,
so
but
good.
then it was like £8 shipping, and I was like, I just can't do that.
Oh my god.
You're so difficult to buy for, that's what you don't realise.
Yes.
You hate everything.
Yeah, that's true. Ugly. Oh, I don't think I can do it with Flash.
Boys, hit her up 18 today.
Legal for everything. Everything and anything you can imagine.
Wait, does this mean I'm
Here.
legally allowed to get Tinder?
Yeah.
Wait, stay there.
Okay.
Hannah. Yeah, stay there, right?
Okay guys, I'm going outside for my surprise. I'm so excited.
I also need to give Hannah a second, so.
Okay. Hannah's house is so amazing. Like, don't stop her, but like, I love it. Should I stand here?
No, you can come.
Okay, I'm really scared.
Oh. Hannah, we're approaching the door. Is it safe to come in? No.
Hannah, man, it's cold out here. Oh, look at the moon.
Okay, I'll open the door and then you walk on. Is it not
I love the moon. This is true friendship, guys. That they've surprised me for my birthday.
Okay, Hannah, carry on. Okay, come in, just come in.
That one's not going.
Oh my god, that's so cute!
Basically, our lighter broke and then.
Oh my god, wait, have you guys, are those presents?
Yeah, but they're not good.
Well, they're not really presents.
Oh my god, guys, this is so cute!
I'm gonna put the lights.
There we go!
And the one was doing that earlier, guys.
This looks amazing.
Thanks. It only
Did you
took me
decorate
4
it?
fucking years yesterday.
So basically,
Guys, oh my god, this is so cute.
we went to Astor the other day.
Elsa! The woman called out, she was like, who's the girl standing next to me? You're like, oh, this is...
Girls are desperate, that's not me, us! Abby and Luke were both like, oh, Hannah's pale, Juliet's sad, Laura's desperate.
Look ready. She was like, so you're pale because you're gender. Juliet kind of looked sad in that photo. Well, Laura's desperate because she's not got a boyfriend and she's going to try and find that she's getting moved to his husband. I was like, oh, okay.
Oh.
Oh, Juliet, but cool, look.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god, this is so cute.
Okay.
This is from Hannah's face.
So it says, to Juliet, hope you have a fabulous 18th with love and best wishes, and then Hannah's family. And then it says, what happened to that wee 5-year-old? Where have all the years gone?
I'll
Oh.
be expecting similar, Sarah.
And then they also got me this. Very fancy.
We're gonna sign it tonight.
So here's my card. Real JC, not Jesus Christ.
Oh, sorry. I just wanted to see the bottle.
I
because you
can
said
have
it.
that cover.
Jesus loves you. I think you're a dickhead. Oh my god.
Comment better.
See, that's what Juliet before. Have the bestest 18th ever. Obviously it will be class because you'll be with your absolute squad. The 2 true loves of your life. I can't read the next bit. What's
Do you read it?
Hannah and Laura? Hannah wasn't allowed to write because... But she's here. Lol.
I can't remember what the next bit is. I read it.
Oh yeah, okay. We can't help with the pale and desperate parts.
Oh,
sorry.
shit.
Oh,
No.
wait, with the sad and desperate parts.
Okay.
Sorry. Oh, interesting.
I remember that. We literally were just walking around Astor, just so you know.
Your mum noticed it. Lovely, but the wrong balloons.
The shoot ones, the self tan and white. Oh my god, that's so good. Here, that's so good because see when I tan, Like, I mean, I don't really do it a lot, but when I do, apparently you're not meant to put fake tan on your face.
I don't think you are.
Yeah, so these would be great. So this is a bronze and white thing.
Yeah.
Hey guys, these biscuits. We call them chocolate lesbians because that's what they look like. Well, no.
Sorry.
That's what the title looks like. Ultimate. To help with your. Oh my god. I'm gonna leave that one out.
Read the label.
I know, I saw that because you're a fat bitch. We're gonna have snacks for tonight.
Oh, I forgot my strawberry. Oh, it's fine, I'm going up anyway.
I knew it was these.
I told you. I was like, I'm 100% sure it's these ones.
I had never heard of them before.
These are amazing. They're so good.
Yeah, so basically we just bought you scran.
You probably won't like this because you're fussy as fuck.
But it's the thought that counts. We saw it, we were like, that's
Really big.
Yeah, I mean, that doesn't mean it.
Nah, it doesn't mean it's that great.
Don't get your cold job. That's not like your big present. They're all equally shit.
It was kind of nice.
Oh, I don't know, that is so nice.
Hannah said it would match your room.
Yeah, it does.
Because like you've got the New York one that's
Wait,
black and
hold
white,
on.
but it's got the yellow.
Being serious.
Wait, no, I actually do like it.
I never thought it was cool because you're going to Paris.
Yeah,
So.
because I love Paris. No, it does match my room. Oh my
Wow.
God,
We have succeeded.
oh guys, that was so nice.
Yeah.
I'm so blessed right now.
We should have just told her that was like so expensive.
So we went to pay for it. Oh, my card got declined. We were like, some decorations. Oh, also, see, doing this yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Took me till 9 o'clock. Right?
Why did it take
Well,
you so long? Now, I'm not being funny, it is good, but why did it take you so long?
no, I know. Basically, I got in. I should probably start vlogging.
Yeah.
Well, diddle for now.
I've been here the whole time.
Exactly. I just heard it there. I was like, no.
He knows I'm fucking here, doesn't he? Like, he stopped.
It is so angry.
Guys, it's fucking raining!
You know, like hold the piece of paper.
Oh, really, Hannah? I was just gonna let it go!
Oh yeah.
Guys, there's a spider in the wall now. Last time it was wasp, now it's a spider.
I can do this spider, but I can't do wasps.
I can't do either. They both give me the fear.
What means?
It was not me. I was like, done.
What a beautiful day.
There's people on the golf course.
Hi guys, so thanks for watching this vlog. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed my birthday as well. I had a great day.
Laura and Juliet decided to stay up all night.
No, we fell asleep at 5:30.
Yeah.
Because I'm
We were going to try and do it all later. I probably would have felt better if I did that, to be honest. I forgot about that. We think that there's a person in it, like...
What White House?
like looking at us.
What White
She sent me a picture of it last night and I was like, there's a person in that window.
Yeah.
Well, yeah,
Wait,
so
it's over
we didn't
there.
know what one either.
Yeah.
Where is that house? That one. It's terrifying.
Yeah,
We thought it was a prison.
That fucking fuck off
Oh.
hospital looking thing.
It's not like flats, I think.
Yeah, there was people in the window last night, and I was like, cool.
At like 4 in the morning, like standing there.
That's weird.
Okay, anyway,
Oh my god.
I had a great birthday if you're wondering. Because of these two ladies. Making it fab. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next vlog.
Toodles, bye.
I was going to say toodles as well. Oh my god. Great minds think alike.